Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download GTA Vice City on your Android. Let's get started. First, GTA Vice City is an official mobile game published by Rockstar Games. The game is available on Android through the official Google Play Store. To download it, open the Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type GTA Vice City. Look for the official version called Grand Theft Auto Vice City. You can simply purchase it, but if you want to play it for free, you can download GTA Vice City Definitive. Make sure the developer listed is Rockstar Games so you know you're downloading the real version. Tap on the game page and press install and wait for the download to finish. Once the installation is done, open the game. The first time you launch it, the game may download additional files needed for gameplay. This can take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After that, you can start playing GTA Vice City directly on your Android phone. That's how you download GTA Vice City on Android. Thanks for watching.